Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Good. I'm good. I just ate. I ate my dinner. I feel good.
Okay. And what is your name, ma'am?
Miss King,
Miss Kane. And where are you from?
I am from the U.S.,
Yes.
Texas.
Okay. And I see your profile video. I like very much. You teach the English with a lot of the student in your home.
Yeah, I did. I did. And when I lived in San Diego, California, I used to live in California. I hosted students from many countries.
This is true from virtually or physically. Many students in countries means you teach them in virtually through video conferencing.
Can you repeat that?
You teach the student through video conferencing. If you teach the student in many countries through video conferencing or you physically.
No, here on Cambly, we have.
Achha. Okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
But also in the past, I had the students at my house.
Okay.
They would sleep in the guest rooms, and they came from Saudi Arabia, Brazil, France, Korea, Japan, and they came and they stayed at my house, and then they went to school. They went to an English school downtown. So, did that answer your question?
Okay. And
you understand?
Yes.
Okay. And where are you?
I'm from India.
Okay.
And I'm also the teacher. And I see the topics which I like most, the internet.
Okay. Yeah, this is a good lesson. Let's see how much we can do. So practice speaking clearly and slowly. Okay?
Okay. Yes. And acha, okay. I read. Okay. Lesson overview. First one is the reading passage, the beginning of the internet. And second is the vocabulary review. Third one is the discussion question. And fourth is the internet debate. Okay. Can I write the right?
That was good. Slow down. Take your time.
Okay.
Okay.
Again? Can I read again?
No, you don't need to read it again. You're good.
Okay.
Just slow down.
Next.
Okay.
Okay. To warm up, briefly discuss the following question, 1 or 2 minutes. First one is the how often do you use the internet? And second, can I reply or read this all?
No, you reply.
Okay, I reply. How often do you use the internet? Mostly I use the internet because today's the world is going to the digitally, and I like to use the internet through connect all the people. Likewise, we are communicating through internet. That is very important. And all our world is now connected to one and another from internet. Okay. And I realized that internet is a very important part for our life.
Very good. And the second question?
Second question is, what is your favorite website and why? I like the many website, but I explore the many things. Means I like mainly the Google related many apps I like very much. Okay. Likewise, Google Pay, Google Translate, Google Meet, and also Gmail. There are many apps which discovers, I really like very much, because first one is the his free for cost, and the second one is the his working is very fast, which I realize.
Yes. Yes.
And what else are the website which you use, which you like in teaching working?
Well, for teaching on Cambly, I like Engoo. Do you know Engoo?
Yes, I know the Engoo, and last time I talked to a ma'am which belongs to the America. He also giving us some more apps about the teaching practice. I write.
Yeah.
I write this.
Yeah, it's a good one. So, this question. Look at this.
Last one. Okay. When do you think the internet was created? Internet is created about 2004 or 5. Which May? Oh, May.
Wait.
Below 2000.
You will see.
The beginning of the internet.
Yes.
Okay. The internet is the fundamental
Take your time.
technology.
Take your time.
Okay. The internet is a fundamental piece of technology and one of the most important invention of our time. Yes, I agree. Research began in the 1960s. Okay. And by the early 1980s, an initial network, the ARPANET, which began
was used. The ARPANET was being used.
Which being used primarily by scientists and the military. Commercial Internet Service Provide ISPs emerged in the late 1980s, and by 1995, the Internet was fully commercialized in US. Okay.
So, it's been around much longer than you thought, right?
Yes, I'm absolutely wrong. I feel that is in 2004 or 5.
Now, I remember I started using the internet in about 1996 or 1997. And by 2000, we had internet in our houses, we had computers, actually by 1998, my second son was born in 1998. And I remember I was working from home on the internet.
Okay.
So it may have taken a few more years before other countries in Asia had the internet.
Now, okay. Now you use the 5G or 6G. Otherwise, we are used the 4G and 5G is on working. And in which country 5G are working or 4G?
Well, I don't know. I think 5G is coming.
Yes, 5G is coming. And in our countries also 5G is working, and from which we communicate. This is a 4G network. And working is so long.
Yeah, I don't know what difference it will make. What is the difference? 4G, 5G, what is the difference?
Frequency, basically this belongs to the frequency of the data processing, which I know. The data frequency and the data which I download in a per second, 1 GB, 2 GB data that which we use in downloaded in some more times. Now, if you use the 5G, that this data will be downloaded in just few seconds. This is the frequency. This is the internet speed.
So it's just faster.
Okay.
Faster.
So it's faster. So it's the faster. Okay. next, you will show me the next chart. Okay. Can I
Yes,
see?
please.
Complete the timeline. Okay. Then internet is a fundamental piece of technology and one of the most important invention of our time. Research began in the 1960s and by the early 1980s, the initial network, the ARPANET. What is the meaning of the ARPANET?
It was the first name for the internet. It was called the ARPANET.
Okay.
It was the internet, but it was called ARPANET.
Ma'am, your screen is not clear.
Oh. This is why we need 5G. It must be the 4G is causing the problem. Right?
Okay.
I'm not magic. I can't make it happen.
No problem, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the same information. Can you see me now?
No, ma'am. I don't.
You can't see me. Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you, but I don't.
Can you see the vocabulary review on the screen?
Now I can see you.
Can you see the vocabulary review here?
Yes, I see the.
Do you know this word, fundamental?
Yes, I before tutorial I see the some brief that word is on in the comprise on that, and that is the first word is the fundamental, relating to one of the basic and important parts of something. This is the right.
Okay.
And second word is the initial, the first of multiple something. Initial, that is which we start in the first time.
Right.
That
Yes.
Initial.
Yes. Just initial.
Primarily, adverb. Mainly for the most part. Mainly. Okay. Primarily means mainly. Yeah, for the most part. Other word is the invention that we discussed in last some time before. Internet is discovered in 1960. An invention, something new that is created for the first time.
Yes.
Okay.
And
To emerge, to become known.
To emerge.
And last one.
Also to emerge.
To become known. To become known means popularity.
Yes, to come out. You could also say the whale emerged from the ocean. The ocean and the whale emerged from the ocean. Emerged.
Yeah, okay.
It came out.
They came out, and after some time they came in the ocean.
So the last one, to commercialize.
To make available to customer to buy. Okay.
So hopefully these are some new words for you. And in the 15-minute lesson, it's hard to finish the whole lesson.
Yes.
But you can do this. You can do it after the class. You can finish.
Yes. Time is going to be so fast, 42 minutes just. But I work in fast. Fundamental, important and basic. Okay. Fundamental, initial. Primarily, invention, emerge. First, important, appear, basic, creation, mainly beginning. Okay. Match the word to clear synonyms. Okay.
I don't think, look, we have to do it fast, like initials first. Oh, primarily. Look, mainly. Oh no, we're running out of time.
I practice. Okay.
Namaste.
Nice to meet you. Thank you. Namaste.
To meet you too.